discover the latest and most innovative crypto wallets that are flying under the radar, really, I think. If you want to stay ahead of the crypto game and understand that these hidden gems are designed to enhance your digital security of your assets, then look no further. Let's get into these amazing crypto wallets right now. The first one is BitKey. This is a Bitcoin wallet developed by Block. Offers really a combination of a mobile wallet and a hardware wallet for enhanced security, really. If you want your most secure wallet, then this would be a good choice. It's for the makers of Square and Cash App. As you can see, it's pretty neat. I love the little rock here. It looks pretty cool. Simple is secure. I definitely agree. So it has a multi-signature security with 3 ways: one in the mobile app, one in the hardware device, and one held by Block. So no need to remember lengthy passwords. It does integrate with both Coinbase and Cash App. So that's pretty sweet. Just, I think, a pretty good Bitcoin wallet. I guess it does only really focus on holding Bitcoin and no other wallet. So no altcoins, no Ethereum, only Bitcoin. So something to be mindful of. Very cool. I think that is very neat, almost like a key feature to definitely take into consideration with if you're a Bitcoin maximalist. This might be the wallet for you. And next up on the list, we have the best wallet, which is the multi-chain wallet that has raised over, I believe, $7 million in the pre-sale. Yeah, 7 million total raised with only 9 hours left, which is insane. They support over 60 different blockchains. It has a built-in decentralized exchange with low swap fees and trading fees, and a token portal for pre-sales, which is pretty sweet. If we scroll down, you can see reduced transaction fees, early access to new projects, higher staking rewards. You can see all of the different features: buy, store, deposit, send, swap, sell, manage portfolio, stake, which they said they have one of the higher staking rewards on the industry. Spend, token launch. So this is their portal, I believe, and then their security. They've been featured in all sorts of different websites. It's just insane. As you can see, their roadmap, they are on phase 2, which airdrop is on the way, the fiat off-ramp, and the cross-chain swaps. All of their trust, their best wallet airdrop that just launched, and so forth. So pretty neat stuff. That leaves us to number 3, the Control or Take Control wallet. This is like your MetaMask wallet. Has quite the great, easy to use platform. As you can see, they have over 2,300 chains on one wallet. Just insane, from Tron to Bitcoin to Thor to Avalanche to Optimus to Base, all of them, all at your fingertips. Everything on one chain. 10 million assets at your fingertips. Just insane what they're doing. You can see they also have all of your NFTs in one place. So lots of great things that they're doing, making it just an easy experience for all users. And that gets us to our final one, which is the modern desktop wallet built for Ethereum. You can see that it is all very developer-like style. It's very kind of crypto-like. I really like it. It is multi-chain. I think on all the different platforms, it is built with Ledger and Treasure. It does have a multi-chain. As you can see, it is just a pretty solid block wallet to see where crypto is. So as you can see here, there's the mainnet, where it is actually going, the transactions, NFTs, all of the great things you need for a wallet in the kind of crypto kind of vibe for it, which I really love. So 4 different types of blockchain crypto wallets. In summary, you have 4 wallets that are great for all of your crypto needs, just depending on what you want to do. You have BitKey for your Bitcoin wallet. You have the Best wallet, which is just coming out with massive amounts of features, already raised a great deal of money, and just looking like the best wallet. You have the Control or X DeFi wallet or Control wallet, which has a lot of different features, NFTs, all of the different chains, all of the different wallets and assets that you could ask for. And then finally, the Frame. If you're looking for the hacker vibe, the crypto vibe, the degen vibe, then the Frame wallet might be for you. All different vibes and styles. Choose what one works best for you. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.